Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, it is now 9:14. We are up and dressed. Miss Charlotte slept all night long. Hold on, I gotta put the thing on the car seat. Okay, Miss Charlotte slept all night long last night, which was a miracle. I was up till 11. This thing's not working. I was up till 11 o'clock last night wrapping gifts. And then I never finished, and I had to put a majority of it away because I don't want Ben to see it. Ben already knows what some of the stuff is that I have already under the tree for him, so it's like, Benjamin, you little stinker. So, yeah, so I stayed up because Graham didn't get home till late last night. So I stayed up wrapping gifts, and now we are going to... Sorry, you guys, my camera died while I was in the middle of talking, but yeah, I am going to the chiropractor right now. I have the appointment in 13 minutes, which it takes about couple minutes to get there. So that is what we're gonna do, and then when I get home I'm going to wrap more presents, and then I gotta put them away again when Ben gets here, or he's gonna help me put them under the tree. So I want to do that, and then I also want to get a lot of laundry put away because that's one thing I slack at is laundry. So today is I kind of have some makeup on, but today is just a, you know, nice relaxing day, not going anywhere kind of day. So Miss Charlotte's in the back seat with me, so let's go enjoy our day. Hey, you guys, so the time is 2:17. Charlotte just woke up from her nap, and she's already smiling. Yeah, so Benjamin hung out with Grandpa right now, and I'm like, let me know when you're coming home so I can put all the gifts away, because I don't want him to see what I got. But I got like 75% of my gifts wrapped up, and then I realized I don't have everything. Like, I lost some stuff, but I got a lot of gifts for the kids. This is stuff where Ben sees it. It's fine. That stuff is stuff that he can't see. But otherwise, we are doing good. I'm ahead of schedule, you guys, which is nice. Then I don't have to worry about, like, wrapping stuff. So, yeah, I'm going to have some ice cream because I'm hungry and thirsty. I'm really thirsty. But we're just having a nice, relaxing day, aren't we? Yeah, okay. But we'll let you guys know what Ben has in an advent calendar. But the weather's kind of cold today. It's kind of we had some snow yesterday morning, but it all disappeared. So, not much going on. I didn't know if I show you guys Ben put the window clings on the window. Doesn't make sense at all, but you know what? I don't care. He did a wonderful job. I'm watching The Masked Singer right now. I'm watching last season because I never watched it, and I've actually wanted to watch it. So I'm going to just get some milk for Miss Charlotte. We're going to just hang out together. Yes. Yes. What? No? Yes, there you go. Look at you. Yes. Oh. Okay, you guys, so we're going to open up our advent calendar, and today is number...
Baby Charlotte, nope, you have school up.
She's like, I want that one. Okay, so we're going to find number 17. Where's number 17? 1-7. 1-7. You okay, McDarlett? Where's 1-7? Right there.
7.
Miss Charlotte's like, I want that. I want that. Oh, Toy Story! Yes! Okay, let's open the choo-choo trains.
No!
So, we're having a nice, exciting day. It is 8:54. I got prime rib cooking, you guys, and I'm actually making a video on how to make it because this is my first time making prime ribs, so you have to definitely check that out when I post it.
It's right here!
But right now we are just chilling. Grandma will be home in about an hour.
Percy!
Percy! So we're just chilling. I did wrap a lot of the kids' Christmas gifts.
Hey, we got for this one.
But I will be wrapping more gifts later tonight. So yeah, it's just a crazy day. But
unwrap this one?
Not yet, honey. Not yet. Hey guys, so Grandma's home. Ben is taking all the Christmas presents that I still have to wrap and making like a tower of it. So we got that. Miss Charlotte's like, I want to get out of here. Let me get out of here, Mom. Yes, you do. Yes. Graham is cutting a nice piece of prime rib that we just made. And I did make a video showing you guys how to make this, so you guys will have to check that out when I do post it. So we're going to get ready to eat. We got Ben. He doesn't eat meat. He's like a total vegetarian, only chicken nuggets.
Guys,
But
we have a lime
he's got waffles. He's just sitting there waiting for us. I got broccoli with cheese sitting there waiting for us. Water. So we're going to get ready to eat. And Ben's watching Storybots. Hey everybody, welcome back. So the kids are asleep. I just did a live video, so if you guys want to learn about the Flus app, awesome. My contest is ending. Graham and I had an awesome dinner, so I'm just picking up after that. I gotta wrap more gifts, but Ben just kind of made a mess, so I gotta pick all that up. Garbage. He's been obsessed with balloons lately, so I'm just gonna straighten that up. Just kind of straighten this up, and then I'm just gonna relax for the night. But yeah, it was an interesting day, even though we stayed at home. But, you know, I'm glad I got most of the Christmas presents wrapped. Like, that was the main thing I wanted to do, because it's just like, I used to love it, and now I'm just like, don't want to do it. Don't want to do it, but, you know, I want to do it, because I love watching the kids unwrap their presents. So, it is 9:18. I'm going to call it a night and get ready to get things bedtime, you know, get this video posted for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.